Guys, yun siya, guys. Watching, uy, allergic ka, te. Allergic ka, te. Anyway, nagkati-kati mo, kati. That's for big kid, Dan.
Big kid.
It's not for that 12 months. Ang taas ng linya ngayon, guys. Gabi na, guys. Ang taas ng linya. Oh my God, ang daming tao.
Good morning, Philippines!
Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo, guys, na gagawa ako ng sauce para sa seafood ko. Kasi binilhan ako ni Tami. Kahapon ba yun? Binilhan niya ako ng crab legs. I think 3 yung binili niya. 3? I think 3. And so, gagawa tayo ng sauce. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Lagyan natin ng tabasco. Kasi, nakuha ko to kay B Loves Life, guys. Yung sauce na ito, garlic. Gusto ko lagyan ng lime. And then, konting salt lang, iodized. And then, cayenne pepper. Yan. Old Bay. Hot siya, guys. Yung spicy. And garlic powder. Cajun seasoning. Ang tabasco. So, yun lang yung gagamitin ko. Butter yun at saka butter pala. Yan. Lagyan natin ng butter. Pero bago yan, good morning sa inyo. Umalis si Tami kagabi, di ba? Dahil, tawag nito. Dahil sa magbaha kasi yung isang bahay, sa baba ng bahay. Pero ito, i-ano muna natin ito, guys, ha. Quiet muna kasi maingay. Ito siya, guys. Sobrang liit pero marami yan, guys, garlic. Pero anyway, and alam nyo, guys, hindi na ako nagbihis. Sinuot ko to kagabi. Alam nyo naman, pag winter, pag andito lang sa bahay, ibalik yung jacket para hindi maginaw. Para magamit naman, hindi lang isang gamit. Wala naman akong nilalakad. So anyway, explain pa mo. Kasi baka sabihin na, oy, pabalik-balik yung damit mo. So bahala na sila. Basta kaya ako, nag-explain na. What are you looking, Rox? Teaspoon yung gamitin natin. Teaspoon. Powder garlic. Garlic, 1 kutsara nito. And then, Cajun. Teaspoon po ito, guys, ha. Teaspoon. Yung cayenne pepper. Ito yan siya. Ba't ayaw dispose ng ay naku, Lord. Tignan ko na lang kung ilan yung maano dito. Okay, I think that's good. Sino yan? And then, ano ba? Old Bay. Spicy din ito, guys. So, this is gonna be really spicy. I-open natin ito kasi hindi ko kailong ko. Old Bay yan. Tama na yan. So, yun lang siya. Ang lagyan natin konting salt mamaya. Konti lang para at saka ano pa yung ilagay natin. Brown sugar din. Lagyan natin ng brown sugar. So, nilagay ko na si butter pala. Alam nyo ba, niluluto ko to kasi mamaya ihatid ko yung isa. Yan. Tagal mahilis nito. I think isa lang yung ilagay ko. Ilagay na natin tong si garlic. Garlic at onion. Ito siya, guys. Yung garlic andyan na. Tsaka yung onion. Anyway, guys. Ito na, guys. Ilagay na natin si tabasco. Maanghang ito. Ito for sure talaga. Maanghang. Tabasco. Konti lang. Yun lang. And then, ilagay natin yung mga powder seasoning. Itong, inano ko, ilagay ko ito lahat, ha. Yan siya. Wala. Kunti lang yung brown sugar, guys. Binaboil ko lang to siya. Lagyan natin konting sugar. Yan. Kunti lang, ako mahilig ako sa tansya. Hindi ko nilagay dito lahat kung ano yung ni B Loves. Hindi ko siya nilagay lahat. Lagyan siya natin konting half of this, yung butter. Okay, I'm gonna let this boil, guys, and then yun na. Kita-kits na lang mamaya. Okay, pabayaan ko lang siya dyan kasi mamaya initin ko naman siya. Dito lang yan sa tabi-tabi. Sino yan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Anong ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Anong ginagawa mo? Big. Thank you really so much, Han. Oh, yeah. It looks cooked though.
Well, I don't think so, but I don't think it's cooked. It shouldn't be. They don't usually sell them cooked. Hopefully, it's everything you want it to be.
Yep. And you know, for mukbang, for the channel. Yay! Yay! Okay, try to transfer one camera that it won't be in the flood, just to look, you know, just kind of tilt it down. But don't put it in the floor, just put it in a higher section and kind of tilt it down.
Can't put it on the floor, huh?
No.
We'll get out of the water really quick.
Yeah, so tilt it down that we can see what's going on. And also, guys, Tommy is making some, what are you making?
Spanish rice.
Spanish rice.
And then seafood salad when I get there. I gotta bring the frozen seafood today because I'm not coming back here again.
Yeah.
So I gotta bring. I know we don't have room in the freezer, but I gotta bring it to start cooking it.
So anyway, ito yung si crab. Crab. Malutyo ka na crab, okay? Actually, I think luto na siya. Yeah. Guys, yun siya, guys. Tapos guys, tapos. Para akong na high blood. Tommy was surprised, guys. He doesn't expect this big bag is gonna be high and it's big. High and big. High and big. So yeah, never expected this na it's gonna be big. Pasensya na, guys. He said it's really comfortable. It is really comfortable. I can go to sleep here. Okay. Kunin ko lang yung biyanan ko. Pero bago niyan, kailangan ko lang on yung ano dito. Ito guys, ha? Diyan muna kayo. Yan yung deer. In there. And then, parang tagilid siya, no? Bahala na sa Batman. Sabi pa ni Tommy, nagpapak na daw siya. Patungo na daw siya dito. Pero, mamaya pa yun, guys. Kasi traffic for sure. This time, 5 o'clock na. Malapit na mag-5. Grabe ngayon. As in. Pero, kunin ko lang yung biyanan ko. And then, hindi ko na kayo dalhin. Kasi, very foggy sa lavush. Yung grabe. As in, gravy. Asan yung phone ko? And, so, dito na lang kayo, guys. And, I will be right back, Rox. Yeah, I am. Parang after eating that, ano, guys, yung king crab legs, parang akong nahihilo, na hindi ko maintindihan. Parang na-high blood ako. Parang seryo, marami kasi nagsabi na makaka-high blood yan, huwag kang kumain ng marami or palagi kasi masama yan sa health mo. Totoo yan, naniwala ako yan, pero naniniwala ako dyan, pero wala pa akong nakita talagang na high blood dahil sa seafood. Sa baboy, yes, meron, pero sa seafood wala pa akong nakita. At saka high blood ba yun? Yeah, high blood. Sabi pa nila, high blood. Ang naano ko lang sa seafood is parang marami akong kakilalang allergic sa seafood. Hindi lahat seafood, parang king crabs or shrimp. Meron akong mga kakilalang yan, yung auntie ko, at saka meron naman akong mga ibang kaibigan na allergic din sa seafood. Yun. Yung auntie ko is parang sa shrimp siya allergic. I think, Auntie Nina, if you're watching, uy, allergic ka, te. Allergic ka, te. Anyway, nagkati-kati mo, kati. Anyway. So, yun, alis lang ako, guys. I'm going to pick her up. And, hello. 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 Hello, Ebed. Hello, Ebed. Hello, Ebed.
What we'll do is, tomorrow we'll do seafood.
Mm-hmm.
We'll boil it all up, throw it in, add quick, so it doesn't get tough and overcooked. Then we'll put the
Seasoning.
vinegar and all seasonings with it. Is this the last finger?
There is, look at over there, Tommy. No? You don't see anything? I think there is one, look.
It doesn't matter, we have to have a flavored one for Andrea anyway.
Yeah, and then you buy 5 and then we throw it out.
No, you gotta take her, take it with her.
Yes, nag-ano lang ako guys. As in sobrang lubat. Nagluluto ako ng salmon para sa biyanan ko rin. Din siya. And then, yun lang. Hindi na ako kakain kasi ang dami yung kinain ko kanina. Na, tawag nito, kinain ko yung binili ni Tami na ano, king crab. Then, ayun, gusto ko lang mag-inom ng tubig kasi parang na-high blood ako nung alam niyo ba kung ano ng oras? Ano ng oras? Ano na bang oras? Alas 11 na ng gabi. Pero, kanina pa to nagyaya si Taming. Punta daw kaming Walmart para mag-gift. Para bibili ng gift sa mga bata. At sa ina niya daw. Para sa ina. So, yun. Gift hunting tayo. Gabi na.
This is why you need a second wire.
I have 2 wires.
Yeah, well, none of them are here.
Well, I'm the one driving here. I use this all the time. So windy. Huh?
That's why there's only 3 for it.
So now it's time to look for a kid thing for Amalia over there. Right here. Where are you going? Oh, this is so cute. For Amalia, look at this. This one, oh. I like this.
Minnie Mouse.
Look at that. Door for the baby. You went over there and you leave your cart. We're in this shoe section. Shoes. You cannot just look at it. You have to try it. Ang hirap pala maghanap ng laruan ng bata. Grabe. Ang hirap. Ito lang yung nakita. What? That's for big kid, Dan.
Big kid.
It's not for that 12 months.
No. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Me love cookie.
Nag-check siya sa presyo, guys. Ang daming bike, guys. Mga sasakyan doon malaki. And dito din dami mga bike. Helmets. Okay, guys, nakakita na kami, guys. Nito ang mahal. Ang mahal, expensive thing. Look, dyan. How much is that? 80.
88.
88? Uwi na rin kami, guys. Katulugon ako, Tugo na mo ko aning lakaw-lakaw. This is not what we came here for.
No, but the hand towels you put out, I can't stand. Too short. They're like little. You got little stubs for people to dry their hands with
And towel where? In the bathroom?
in the bathrooms. All of them.
The same thing.
No,
No, it's big, Han.
no, they're not.
Ang taas ng linya ngayon, guys. Gabi na, guys. Ang taas ng linya. Oh my God, ang daming tao. At saka konti lang yung ano nila dito ngayon. Tawag nito cashier. So yun. Shopping muna ako. Si Tami andun sa linya. Shopping tayo. Hi guys. Tapos lang namin nag-grocery o nag-shopping. Nakakatawa ba kasi where is the car? Kapag mag-shopping ka talaga, marami kang mapapansin ng mga nakakatawa-tawang mga tao. Ayun ako. Did you notice what I noticed?
What, that girl was riding around the cart and she's no business riding around the cart, or the fact that something about them stank like hell because like I don't know what the hell kind of perfume or oils or what, but it's like when they bathe in it.
Meron sila mga ano guys, oh. Mga jewelries. Oh, ang cute na oh. Jewelries. Magkano kaya to? At saka meron din silang mga gandang mga ano. Meron naman ako nito eh. Hala, this is nice looking. Huh? Huh? This is nice too. Ito rong air fryer na nakikita sa TV, guys. Ito siya. Ang daming mga ano nila dito. Oh, naghanap ako ng electric ano na malulutuan pala. So hanap tayo. Okay. Did you find that thing? The mug over here, oh. Coffee mug. Dipping thing. A candy dish. Candy dish. Candy dish. Time check. It is 1. Hala guys, umaga. Let's go get Han. Well, it's 1 o'clock already.
I don't see any grill difference.
Are we done?
Well,
God. Almost 2 o'clock na guys. Where are we going?
I don't know which way.
I'll go right here out there. Because
Over there.
there's a lot of people at Walmart guys. Turn here to the right. Happy good morning, Grouchy.
I'm slept yet.
We're dizzy guys. We're so dizzy. I'm
I am
dizzy guys.
freaking dizzy. I think it's from that freaking nasty ass perfume that we had to stand online for an hour smelling.
No,
That was strong as hell.
I think we're dizzy because we're walking supposedly in bed. You know? It's so quiet, guys.
Hey, cuties.
Dear guys, my dear dun guys. Nandun. Nasaan sila? Where are they?
They ran in.
Still run? Nakikita na naman kami ng deer guys. Tami stop and Tami to talk to them. Hi sweeties. My baby. Hi sweetie.
Cuties.
Hi cuties. Hi cuties. Hi guys, kakauwi lang namin guys. Patayin ko lang tong mga Christmas light kasi kami na lang yung bahay dito na may Christmas light. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this video. Good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. See you the next